How to use OneDrive on mobile. If you want to use the OneDrive application on your mobile phone and you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the App Store to download it. Now go to the App Store and simply tap onto OneDrive on your search bar and tap on it. And simply tap on to install right here. And wait for a few minutes and the app will be installed. Now open the app by tapping on to open. And now you can see it is now opened. Now I have already signed in. Now to sign in, you can simply use your existed email account. And after adding your account, you can simply use the OneDrive application just like this. And that's it. This is how you can use OneDrive on mobile. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.